Okay, so let's do this felt lavender project in under a minute and a half. So I previously posted the full-length tutorial of this cutie little lavender project. It's on YouTube and Instagram. But you know, sometimes we don't have 8 to 10 minutes to watch a video, so here it is in a minute and a half. So first I cut the leaf part on my Cricut and then I peeled it by flipping my mat over backwards. That just kind of keeps the felt from getting any creases in it. Then I peeled those little leaves off and it was oh so satisfying. Then it was time to cut the actual lavender part, so I put it on my fabric grip mat and I cut out the lavender. Also FYI, all the design files for this are in Cricut Access. This is actually a Cricut Access project, which I was very impressed. Then I peeled away all my little lavender pieces. This was quite therapeutic. And then I got out my hot glue gun, my scissors, some glue, and my floral wire. Now this part was actually way simpler than I expected it to be. I just put a little dab of glue on the end tab of my little lavender, wrapped it around, and it leaves a little tab at the end. Another piece of glue, and then I just push it down and I held it down until it was kind of stuck on there. Then I repeated that process all the way down until I got down to the leaves at the bottom, little strip of glue on the bottom, and then I just stuck it right onto the floral wire. Repeat that on the other side with the other leaf, and honestly, this project is that simple. And the result turns out really cute. Like, once it's all put together, it literally looks like you could have bought it that way. 10 out of 10.